Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we did a very interesting program. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is lightweight and human readable and its extension is .json. JSON is preferred over normal text files because it is more structured and it is easier to do the transaction in JSON. So let's move forward and check how do we write a data and read data from JSON file. Open a Python shell and create a new file. The first thing we will do is to import JSON. I will create a variable and use open function to open a JSON file. Let's name it text.json. JSON. And we will open it in writing mode. So when you open a file in writing mode, if the file is already present, it will open the existing file. Otherwise, a new file will be created. Whereas in reading mode, if you do not have the file, an error will be generated. So this JSON.dumps function converts normal variable or data type into JSON type. So it is JSON.dumps function is used to convert normal variable or data type into JSON type so that it is easier to write it into a JSON file. So the next thing we will do is to write into the file, for which we will use writeLines function. Last one, we will close the connection. Let's print a done message so that the user gets to know that we have written into the file. Here you get a message done, which means a new file has been created. And if you go to the location where your program is running, at the exact same location, a new file named text.json will have been created. You can open the file in normal notepad and check its content. So till here we are done with how to write into a JSON file. Our next step will be how to read from a JSON file. So let's comment this writing section and let's change few things, like W will be written R for reading, and we do not need .dumps function. Instead of writelines, we will use readLines, and readLines does not take any parameters, so we will remove JData from here. So we will assign a variable and let's print data. So that's it, and we get our variable. In this video, I have briefed you about how to connect a JSON file and how to write and read it. In the next video, we will do a small project to get a better understanding of how JSON file actually works. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.